And my intellectual side and my intelligence level just went on a different high. So when I was invited to certain forums, I still go there, I realized I could actually speak on various topics. I thought I would not fit in. I thought I still do sometimes feel in certain circles that some people are not that sharp and intelligent for me. I'm not judging them, but then there is a certain level of conversation you kind of enjoy and you want to have and stuff. So I started kind of, walking away from those people. I started shifting my focus from those people. I left those environments and stuff, and I started hanging around more with people who fit my intellect, my acumen, where I can kind of learn and absorb more, or I feel challenged, or I can just sit and kind of get some information and stuff. And some of them were really heavy duty ones like United Nations and the real top education related ones or industry forums and stuff like that. But the point is, it took a lot of my patience and stuff to sit there with my cervical and stuff like that. But when I came back, I thanked my stars and I thanked my genius and I thanked myself I went there, because if I wouldn't have gone in there, I would have not questioned myself and I would have not said, you know what, I mean, these people know a little more than me or a lot more than me, but the point is, they think the same thing about me. And when I started talking to them, debating with them, I realized that most people want to share information and most people want to talk and they find joy, they find, passion, and they feel great when they are sharing and talking and stuff like that. That's how the journey of being in so many forums started. Okay. So, anyways, coming back to the topic, how do books help? Books are going to be helping you discover your values. You have to tidy up your books. You have to get new books. You have to get new tapes. You have to pick up good stuff, and you have to break those self belief systems, or those fed into you by other people and the criticisms that you can't do anything beyond this. If you really want to counter target those offensive statements made to you and stuff like that, you have to make a conscious effort to learn, and when you know, it helps you. So there is a story from my childhood about this and stuff. I'm going to share that some other time, probably in my next video, on how I changed a certain relationship into learning more, and how it took me and how it helped me. I mean, I chose learning more over relationships and stuff, so that's where I am right now because of that. So books also fulfill your purpose. Books also kind of give you joy. They give you information. Photos can take you on a different trip of a voyage of a country. They can interest some culture in you. They can interest you. The foods can interest you. The wine can interest you. The culture can interest you. The photography can seduce you. Like sunsets and beach and stuff like that. You feel so seduced when you look at that, looking at some amazing pictures of marriages, going to a church, fashion, or maybe animals or birds, or maybe greenery, or golf clubs or sports or whatever your favorite. So books kind of refreshen you up. And the extension is getting those, in a display rack. So that's creativity. That's where design and architecture comes in. So that's where your sofas and seaters fit in. That's where your corporate gifting items fit in. That's where your picture frames fit in. That's where your trophies fit in. That's where the lighting has to be taken care of. That's where the seating arrangement has to be taken care of. That's where the drawers are supposed to be taken care of. That's where assortment of books has to be taken care of. That's where the high dimensional depth, the color, everything has to be taken care of. And most important, the delivery time and the finish has to be taken care of. So you could take a look at our collection and our work. We also award winners and stuff. Our projects have received awards. And I've received about 4 awards over 2 years and stuff. And a number of certificates and stuff like that. So I can assure you that in knowledge and in service and everything, we are pretty good. So try us out and stuff. Right now we are at Sector 8, Noida, but we design, manufacture, and supply to clients all over the world and stuff. Okay, so if you want to do a tie-up, a collaboration, you want something to be sent to you in numbers or volume and stuff like that, please do not hesitate to get in touch with me. I'm on jkapani@gmail.com. justinkapani.im@gmail.com and justinkapanioffice@gmail.com. So cheers to you on a lovely chai. This has got some ginger in it. Ginger because it helps you kind of get rid of your cough and cold and stuff. So enjoy your chai and take care and have fun and have a blast. And thank you so much for praying for me. I'm sure I look good and lage raho Manna bhai in the real sense. Keep up with your exercising, keep up with your thought sharing, keep up with feeling positive. Remember to spend some time with books, also in nature and stuff. If you've got a pet, if you've got a family, if you've got a best friend, go to a park and chill, or go to a bookshop or wherever. I mean, you don't have to give yourself those excuses that you can't go. If you have to read, you can find a spot and you can only enjoy reading and stuff, but avoid filling up your brain with information which is not going to help you and it's going to make you look at the world in a negative connotation or a way. Let's say relationships, let's say workspaces, let's say about countries, let's say about economies and stuff. Try reading stuff or absorbing stuff which makes you feel positive and helps you absorb the excellence of life. Okay, so love and love, take care, cheers, bye bye.